Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a shortcut to enter the UEFI or BIOS settings page in Windows 11, 10. Create new shortcut. Type shutdown space, /r space, /fw space, /t space 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.